back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 4 different job leads in today's video. We have some part-time, we have some full-time. One of these jobs is even paying up to $67,000 a year. One of them has you reviewing background checks. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share, if you want to read reviews on the company or get those applications in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. You can also leave any information that you want in the comments, including things specifically that you are looking for. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. Don't keep this a secret. Let everyone know so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, though, we have the company Typeform. Now, Typeform has 229 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a technical support advocate. Now, all of these positions that I'm sharing are remote for the United States only. Their tech support, though, is going to be done a little bit differently, so I thought I would share this because it was exciting to me that it was different. You're going to be responding to people through a video message. So if you're good with vlogging or recording yourself, you use FaceTime a lot or whatever, this might be perfect for you. Now, their vision is to help make more personal business relationships. So they have a no-code software as a service platform where they believe they can create the world by living through their mission. So they are helping with tech support with this software platform. So they have a video ask feature, and you're going to be the friendly face guiding the customers to success with the video ask using your technical expertise through video support. So you're going to be engaging with the users. You're going to respond to user inquiries primarily through asynchronous video and potentially any other platforms as they grow. You're going to engage with the video ask customers to gain insights and assist in their early learning days, becoming a guru on the entire product portfolio, providing training, guidance, or inspiration to users to help them maximize the value of the software and the product. You'll also be helping them troubleshoot and report any issues with the platforms that they have. You'll take their issues and escalate those up to the engineering team as needed, following any best practices in data collection, tagging, and tracking of the issues. So you're just trying to deliver high quality customer support, answering their questions, but through a video. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just somebody who is a tech savvy, so proficient in technical work and coding within a software as a service industry, background in software as a service platforms and products, someone who has a strong passion for committing to helping others learn and achieve value, and of course, somebody who can be a problem solver. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $67,500 a year. Now, normally on this channel, I don't share anything that doesn't at least have a 3.0 rating, but because this one is a non-phone, email, and a chat position, and I know a lot of you are looking for that, I thought I would include it, let you come read the reviews and make your own decision. The company is Quip. They have 87 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with a 2.6 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a customer experience specialist. This is going to be seasonal and part-time. Pay is $16 an hour. They're looking for somebody to work 30 hours a week between the dates of October 16th and January 12th. Now, they are currently only hiring in certain states. Those are Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Washington, D.C., Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Indiana, Maryland, Montana, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Texas, Utah, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. I have shared this position on this channel before, but they are still hiring, so I just thought I would throw it out there and let you know that they are still looking for someone to effectively respond to customer inquiries through email and chat, ensuring that all customers have a unique and memorable experience at every touch point with their brand. You'll stay up to date on any team huddle topics, training resources, product updates, and changes in the SOP, consistently maintaining quality and productivity while you solve your daily cases, keeping up with them and the goals that are set. Now, no degree is needed for this either, just 1 year of customer service experience. They do say that if you have prior experience in like e-commerce, that is a plus. It's not required. They want somebody who's familiar with customer service tools such as Zendesk, is flexible and can work holidays and weekend hours. Of course, you have to have great communication skills with them, strong people skills. But if you don't want to work for the company because they had lower reviews or whatever, maybe doing quality reviews on people's background checks that come back pre-employment might be more of your style. The company is AccuSource HR. Now, please note they only have 15 reviews on Glassdoor, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 15 reviews, though, they have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a QA specialist. Now, they say their quality assurance and billing specialist is responsible for reviewing every background check report that comes back, ensuring proper closure and billing of the reports before they reach the clients. You've got to have an eye for detail. Qualified candidates must be able to locate misspellings and grammatical errors in the reports as well. But your essential duties are familiarizing yourself with the company's product offerings, support compliance and regulatory affairs, and supporting and ensuring all company complies with all laws and regulations where it is pertaining to those pre-employment background screenings. You're going to make sure that internal auditing is done on any reporting before it is given to the clients, researching any compliance issues and recommend any changes for improvements. Of course, you're going to review the quality of these files within the platform along with individual services. Now, of course, they prefer a degree, but that's not required, just a high school diploma with some college experience. They do want somebody who has 5 years with background screening experience or quality assurance experience, and someone who has great written and verbal communication skills. Of course, you got to be able to use a computer. They are looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in this job description. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company MedBill. Now, MedBill has 26 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a document review lead. So you're basically going to be assisting to the manager and supervisor of the document review team, helping provide any training and support to the document review staff. The main duties of this job is going to receive batches from clients to ensure MedView has received all orders from the clients. You'll organize these batch cover sheets and use as receipts for the client, prioritizing orders and reviewing based on a set of guidelines, giving priority to document review specialists, making sure that their work has been completed in the order in which it should be. You'll review and interpret any insurance policy guidelines as it relates to the order to review for the clients, correctly coding these orders in either data entry or billing confirmation. And of course, you might have to communicate with the clients on possible issues with their order. So you are going to be basically reviewing medical bills. So this is going to require some medical billing certificate or diploma. Of course, they prefer a bachelor degree. That's not required as long as you have a medical billing certification. They do want somebody who has 3 years of DME medical billing and somebody who has great knowledge of insurance payer guidelines, how to read an EOB, things like that. So you've got to have great attention to detail and great organizational skills, but this does pay $18 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.